YouTube. As you might be able to hear, our heater is broken. It's been like that for the past like 3 days. So, but I was currently trying to fix it. I am eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and some orange juice. Because I want to make brownies, but I also need to like eat something first. Hi, Tiki. Are you scared of it? I think my dog's scared of it. I feel bad. And it smells like burning plastic. No, it's fun. There's like a mukbang. There's like mukbang for? Getting quieter. It sounds scarier now, but it's getting slower. It just got a lot faster. You know, like. Can I not just enjoy my sandwich on a snow day? Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera like at all. I'm looking at myself. And the camera's right there. My dad suspects that it might be from all the snow on the roof. I have no clue though. Yeah, I eat my peanut butter jelly sandwich like that. It's not jelly, it's honey. But the heater turned off. Well, I eat the crust and then I peel it apart because I'm weird like that. It's okay, Tiki. It's not gonna kill us. I hope. You know, I just got on my chin. Wait, should I make this like an ASMR? Wait. I'm not doing that. I hate that. Oh my gosh, ew. Peanut butter is so hard for me to eat. I feel like I'm a dog. Why are you looking at me? Do you just try to rub your butt on the hardwood floor? My dog has 10 out of 10 smarts. I'm telling you. Smartest in the world. How do you even spell mukbang? Oh, I got peanut butter on it. I wish I could see what time it is on the stove clock from here. My glasses are like all the way on the other counter. Do you want to go outside? She did indeed want to go outside. peanut butter. Tastes so good. And it like hurts. Gross. Okay. You know, and you like drink juice after you like eat bread, like a lot of bread, and you feel like chunks. It's probably really gross, but I thought I'd share that. Did you figure out what it was yet?
It's the squirrel cage is going out.
What's a squirrel cage?
No, we need to come down and make a fire. We might not have heat tonight.
I'm fine.
Try to tear it apart.
So whatever a squirrel cage is, it's that, and it's going out. We might not have heat tonight. What is a squirrel cage? I would look it up if it would not stop my video, but it would stop my video. Fun fact, I've like always dreamt of being like a professional artist and animator, but I have no idea how to animate, and my art isn't that good, but I do make. Did you do art? I usually post it on Twitter, but no one really cares about my Twitter anymore. I used to be friends with a bunch of popular people, and now they all hate me, so Well, how do they hate me? I hear that our friend group's gotten drama. And that's like a Minecraft YouTuber Twitter. That's like a whole different topic than this channel. I was gonna share this channel on Twitter, but there's really no point anyway. I'm fine with my 2 subscribers. One that's me, and one that's Dexter, I think. Oh, my hands are sticky. We're washing my hands. It's washing hands time. Carla. Love that. I'm getting water on my phone. Oh, it got all over my phone. Jeez. There we go. It did do something. It made my phone press home, and now I'm gonna have to edit together clips, which I didn't want to do. I wonder if I can wait, no, don't look at it. Can't see anything. Right. I have orange juice. Dog brush. Surprisingly effective at getting snow off of dogs. I'm pretty sure I don't like recognize my face, but like I do, but like I don't. Like I see myself in the mirror and I always look like a different person. Is that bad? It's fine. Why does my throat hurt? This is a knockoff, ripoff. Well, that was a rip-off. Now I have 3 clips to edit together. I keep looking at the wrong side of the phone. I just need to finish my orange juice. Wait. I'm so good at this. Wait. My head's in the cup. I am a comedy genius. I think I'm going crazy. It was an online school day today because it was a snow day. And snow days aren't even school day. Snow days aren't snow days anymore because we have virtual learning on snow days. Yeah. I used to cosplay on TikTok, but all I could do was Among Us cosplays. And I kind of don't like them as much anymore. And I'll probably come back from my hiatus on there once I get more cosplays. But it's hard. I signed up for, I chose my classes for high school yesterday. And I was promised a guitar class. There was no guitar class. I'm gonna have to learn guitar somehow, at least. Maybe take guitar classes outside of school. Learn from YouTube videos. Take like an online course. Maybe CSD virtual. I shouldn't say that. I can fix it in editing. Maybe the virtual high school thingy on my school's thingy. Will like have it. What's it called? It's like it's virtual high school, and it's like online classes that you can take like when you're in person high school. Dogs be like, woof, you know what I mean? Look who came. She wants outside. Oh. Okay. They are a goofballs. I'm really not good at talking. I need to talk more. It's just, I never say what's in my, I'm like used to like not saying what's in my head. Fun fact, you're more likely to be attracted to someone if their hair's wet. I learned that from I don't know where, but I remember it. My mom makes me, she just like insists on cutting my hair herself. And I mean, I guess I low-key vibe with it, but she messed up my side bangs. And I'm mad about it. Also, my hair's a wreck right now. Like, look at that. There's like little stray bits back there. Fun fact, I was in a it was a Google Meet with my math teacher. Guess what he said? He, like, called me out for being on my bed. It's like, have you gone out of bed today? And I was like, no. I woke up and I did from my bed. hugging a squishmallow the whole time, wearing my Ushanka. Do you like orange juice? I'm talking to no one. I'm talking to my phone. Comment below if you like orange juice. You know, that's how I'll know if you're a real one, because you'll watch this and you'll comment if you like orange juice or not. It's probably like tearing apart the heater right now. Fun fact, because the way I wear headphones, this ear is flatter than this one because my headphones are always over this ear. And this ear sticks out more because my headphones are behind this ear all the time. It folds that way. Look at that. You can see that ear. I'm trying to stay perfectly straight and that ear pops out more than that ear. My face is so unbalanced just because of the way I do things. Anyway. I'm done. Pretty much done. Looks like I just wiped up pee. Anyway, goodbye. See you in the next episode of, what am I gonna call this? It's like rambles, I guess. What do I call it? I should make this a series where I just like talk about random things. I don't know. Maybe I will make it a series. Who knows? Anyway, goodbye. So basically, in this part of the video, my dad is he took apart the heater parts and he is cleaning them right now. Yeah, in the tub, like that's how it works. Okay.